Namecheap vs Cloudflare, which is best for domains and hosting. Hello and welcome to our channel, WebWiz. In this video, we will compare to most of the popular domain registrar and web security services, which is Namecheap and Cloudflare. And to register on Namecheap and Cloudflare, you can also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know Namecheap, it is a domain registrar and web hosting company, in which it provides a domain registration, web hosting, SSL certificates, and other related services, in which it is also known for its affordable pricing, user-friendly interface, and strong customer support. On the other hand, Cloudflare, it is a company that provides content delivery network or CDN services, DDoS, mitigation, internet security, and distributed domain name server. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Cloudflare and Namecheap. And let's start by knowing their pros and cons. Starting to Namecheap. The pros of using Namecheap is that in terms of pricing, Namecheap often provides affordable options for domain registration and hosting services. And in terms of user-friendly interface, navigating through Namecheap's website is intuitive and straightforward, making it easy for users to manage their domains and hosting. And it also offers free whois privacy protection. With Namecheap, you receive free whois privacy protection when registering a domain, ensuring your personal information remains private. And also, it has a good customer support. Namecheap offers 24/7 customer support through chat and ticketing systems. Their support staff is generally knowledgeable and responsive. However, the cons of using Namecheap is that some competitors may offer hosting services compared to Namecheap, and there are options for security features when compared to specialized security providers. And it's possible that some users may experience downtime or performance issues. Now moving on to advantage or pros of using Cloudflare. Cloudflare's content delivery network or CDN services enhance website performance by caching content and distributing it globally, in which they also provide DDoS protection to mitigate attacks and ensure website availability. And their web application firewall or WAF offers security against web threats. And DNS management is free with propagation for added convenience. Also, SSL or TLS encryption ensures communication between users and websites. And Cloudflare offers plans with features catering to the needs of small websites and startups. However, the cons of using Cloudflare is that setting up and configuring the system might be challenging for users who have limited knowledge, and certain advanced features like customizing WAF rules are only accessible in higher tier plans. Although the free plan provides protection, websites with demands may require upgrading to paid plans for complete security. And also, it may not be cost-effective for websites or those with minimal traffic. And now that we know the pros and cons, we can now proceed to the features comparison of both platforms. Starting to Namecheap. Namecheap offers domain registration and management, since Namecheap provides a range of domains extension ensuring your privacy with whois protection. And it also offers web hosting and cloud services, since Namecheap offers hosting plans for different needs including shared hosting, reseller hosting. And in terms of website builder and migration, with Namecheap's user website builder, you can easily create a looking website without any coding skills. And in terms of security and backup, ensuring the safety of your website is paramount to Namecheap. They provide SSL installation for free alongside malware protection. Now in terms of customer support and dashboard, at Namecheap you'll find an account panel that makes managing your services hassle-free. Now moving on to the feature offered by Cloudflare. Cloudflare offers web security and performance service. It also provides DDoS and bot mitigation, a content delivery network or CDN, and a web application firewall or WAF. It also offers DNS management, SSL certificates, and analytic tools. And it focuses more on site security and performance such as caching, unification, and image optimization. And it does not offer hosting services, but can work with any hosting provider. And it has more advanced and complex dashboard. It also offers more suitable for experienced users. Now moving on to the pricing comparison of both platforms, starting to Namecheap. In terms of domain name registration, Namecheap starts from $5.98 per year for domains, while in terms of hosting plans, it starts from $1.48 per month for shared hosting. And in terms of email accounts, it starts from $10.88 per year for business email. And for SSL certificates, it starts from $3.88 per year for positive SSL. Now in terms of supersonic CDN, it starts from $0 or free per month for 50 gig bandwidth. On the other hand, Cloudflare offers a free plan or $0 per month for basic DDoS protection, CDN, and SSL. And in terms of Pro plan, it offers $20 per month for advanced DDoS protection, WAF, image optimization, and analytics. And in terms of Business plan, it offers $200 per month for custom SSL, advanced caching, and prioritized support. While in terms of Enterprise plan, you can contact sales team for custom pricing and features. Now moving on to additional services comparison, below here are the table in terms of domain registration service. Namecheap offers domain registration service, while Cloudflare, domain registration are not available. Now in terms of DNS management service, Namecheap offers or provides DNS management tools, while Cloudflare offers advanced DNS management features. In terms of SSL certificates, Namecheap sells SSL certificates for secure websites, while Cloudflare offers or provides free and paid SSL certificate options. And aside from that, in terms of web hosting service, Namecheap offers shared hosting, WordPress hosting, VPS hosting, and dedicated servers, while Cloudflare hosting services are not provided. Now in terms of CDN services, Namecheap does not offer CDN, but Cloudflare provides CDN services to speed up websites. While in terms of analytics and insight service, Namecheap offers limited analytics and insights, while Cloudflare provides detailed analytics and insights into website traffic and performance. But the question is, who should choose Namecheap? Well, if you're a small business in search of affordable domain registration and hosting solutions, as well as prioritizing privacy protection, straightforward pricing, and responsive customer support, Namecheap might be the perfect choice for you. Since Namecheap stands out with pricing including who-is privacy protection when registering domains, making it especially appealing for those on a budget. Moreover, Namecheap maintains pricing, offers reliable customer support through live chat and ticketing systems to ensure peace of mind and assistance whenever needed. And affordability, privacy, and excellent customer service are important to you, then Namecheap is likely the option. But what about Cloudflare? Who should choose Cloudflare? Well, Cloudflare is a choice for website owners and businesses who want to improve their website's performance, security, This is especially beneficial for websites with visitors or high traffic. In addition, Cloudflare offers security features like the Web Application Firewall or WAF and DDoS protection, which are perfect for businesses worried about cybersecurity threats. Furthermore, Cloudflare's DNS management tools give you control over your DNS settings so you can optimize your website's performance and uptime. With Cloudflare's analytics and insights, you'll have access to data on your website traffics and performance, and this will help you make informed decisions to enhance your presence. And now in conclusion, both Namecheap and Cloudflare provides services that cater to aspects of managing one's online presence. Namecheap is known for its user-friendly domain registration and management services, making it a great option for individuals and small businesses seeking budget choices with reliable customer support. On the other hand, Cloudflare specializes in improving website performance, security, and reliability through its content delivery network or CDN, advanced security features, and comprehensive analytics tools. And businesses and websites owners aiming to optimize their website performance and security while gaining insights into their presence would find Cloudflare's offering beneficial. But ultimately, the decision between Namecheap and Cloudflare depends on needs and priorities, since both platforms provides solutions for managing and enhancing one's online presence. So that is just basically the comparison review between Namecheap and Cloudflare. Thank you.